What is up, guys? Welcome to Poland. I am so excited to be back here. Poland is one of my favorite countries in the world, and I haven't been here in a year and a half, so I'm super excited to be back here in Warsaw for tonight and tomorrow night. So I've got one full day and then the rest of the day today, and it's around like 3:35 p.m., 15:35. So I've still got some time left for the day to wander around Warsaw. I'm here in my hotel room. Give you a quick tour. There's a desk, there's the bed, there's a chair, closet. Got my coat hanging up there. There's some more space here, space there. There's the door, and then here is the bathroom. So, nice hotel. I actually stayed at this hotel last time I was in Warsaw, which I guess it was a year and a half ago. And this place was 350 Polish zloty for 2 nights, which is around 86 US dollars. So that's really not a bad deal at all. $86 for 2 nights. You can't beat that. It's $43 a night. Anyway, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do today. I know tomorrow I'm going to go to the old town and wander around there. But for today, I think I'm going to go get some food and then just kind of walk around the city for a little bit. So should be fun. Also, as you guys know, I love collecting currencies, and in previous videos I've said that the Polish zloty was the only currency I did not have physical bills in. I had coins, but I did not have any bills. So now I have some bills. I exchanged 160 US dollars at the airport. I got, what is this, 510 zloty plus some coins. So this is what it looks like. The exchange rate is around 4 to 1. So here's 100 zloty. So this bill here is worth like $25. So yeah, 25 basically for each of these, then a 50. So basically just divide by 4, and that would be how much it is in US dollars. Like this one's worth about $2.50. But anyway, so I'll have some of these from my currency collection. I'll make sure to keep some. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what the currency looked like. And there's some coins. Alright, so I am walking to go and get some dinner. And it is a lot colder here in Poland than it was in Switzerland. So I was going to get dinner. I got a little distracted. So I saw this. And I was down there. So I decided to hike up here to look at the view and to check out that. So that place there is where I just ate at. It's called Bistro Hot Dog and Burger. So there's the Palace of Culture and Science, that massive building right there. And I've actually never been to this part of Warsaw over here. Last time I was here, like I said, I was here a year and a half ago. It was just briefly, so I'm gonna see if I can go inside this building here. I'm pretty sure you can. So the skyscraper there, the Palace of Culture and Science, was built during Soviet times. It was built in 1955, and apparently it's a controversial building because it's supposed to be a resemblance of socialist powers. Of course, in modern day Poland, it's a democracy, so I'm not really sure how the local people all feel about it, but from what I could read online, it was a controversial building. I'm not sure what this is, but this looks like a Soviet era thing. I'll have to look, see if I can figure out what it is. I've seen several groups of schools here. They all seem to be touring this area down here. There's a nice park here. So it is possible to go inside. I was just at the wrong entrance, so he told me to walk around the corner and go through this entrance over here. So I'm now on the 30th floor of the Culture and Science building. Get a look out the window here. It's a little bit foggy today, a little bit cloudy. This is pretty cool, and the ticket was only 25 zloty, so pretty cheap. Look at this. Some construction right there. This is the elevator. See, floor 30, floor 1. It's a fast elevator too. It says it goes at 6 meters a second. Look at these buildings here. The architecture on those. I see some flags. I see Polish flags, another flag that I don't recognize, and then the European Union flag. So I'm gonna go check out what this building is. It's gotta be some type of government building. So that building is a hotel. I thought for sure it was probably a government building, but it's not. There's some really cool architecture over here in this part of Warsaw. Here's the Polish Old Town. This is really cool. Look at this view from up here. This is probably one of the best old towns, if not the best old town I've ever seen. So there's a Christmas market, and it goes down quite a ways, and there's actually more to it. Keep going down. There is Poland's flag. Another Christmas tree. Poland knows how to do Christmas right, that's for sure. This is one of the best Christmas markets I've ever seen. So I was wandering around over here, and there's Slovakia's flag. Now, surely this isn't an embassy. I wouldn't imagine so, but maybe it is. I have to say, this is the best old town I have ever seen. Look at this church. There's so many stunning churches here in this part of Warsaw, here in the old town. So I got some food at the Christmas market. Got a sausage, pickle, some cheese, and some hot chocolate. Hey, a ticket to come up here. Here's a ticket. Costs 10 zloty. But it's definitely worth it. This is super cool up here. You do have to walk up the stairs. There is no elevator, which is why I'm a little bit out of breath, because I just walked up like 6 flights of stairs. But this is super cool to get this viewpoint of all of Warsaw.